Welcome to how to send a photo in Instagram chat. So in this video we are going to show you how to send a photo in Instagram chat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all you will open up your Instagram, and after this what you're gonna have to do, you will tap on this messages icon here and then open up that specific chat in which you want to send a photo. Now there are two different ways that you can actually send a photo in the chat. So the first one is from your phone's gallery. So tap on this image here and this will open up your gallery, and you can select any photo from here. So let's suppose I wanted to select this one, then tap on send, and now this photo has been sent to this person. And the second method is to basically click a photo from Instagram app within itself. So tap on this camera icon and this will open up your camera, and then basically you can scroll from different filters here, and then tap on this icon here and this will capture the photo, and then tap on send, and now this photo is sent. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.